Okay, geometry students, let's look at Unit 1, Lesson 17, and the focus here will be working with rigid transformations. So we're going to be looking at transformations that are very straightforward with using rotation, translation, symmetry, uh, reflection. So we're going to be using those things to create images. I can describe a transformation that takes given points to another set of points. The big thing with rigid transformations is your image should be the exact same size as the original, which is a good check of whether you are doing everything correctly. All right, so the vocabulary is all the same from the last lesson. So we have assertion, congruent, directed line segment, and image. Remember, an assertion is just a statement that hasn't been proven yet. Congruent are two equal things. Directed line segment is a specific length and direction in which you're going to translate something. Image is our new picture. We also have line of symmetry and reflection. Line of symmetry is the line which splits something into half, and the two sides are exactly the same and can be folded over on each other. Reflection is using a line of reflection to create a mirror image on either side. Reflection symmetry means that if you use the reflection, it basically can fold right over on top of itself. Rigid transformation is, like I said before, just the ability to move something in some way that keeps it the same but puts it in a little bit different spot. Rotation is just turning the figure clockwise or counterclockwise. Rotation symmetry means that when you turn it, it still is the exact same picture, just with the points in different places. Symmetry is just the ability to keep the picture the same on either side. Theorem is when we have proven our statement, and then translation is just the moving of something from one spot to another. All right, so for tomorrow, our warm-up is to use this picture and mentally come up with transformations that you think would do these. Please write them down. I know we're doing them in our head. We're not testing them out. Just think about what you think they would be. Write down what you think they are, right or wrong. They're going to start our conversation tomorrow. So we have segment CD, which is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So AM and MB are the exact same size, and they make right angles. Find each transformation mentally. So transform a transformation that takes A over to B. So how can we move A to B? Then we want to do the transformation that takes B over to A. We want to then do the transformation that takes C down to D, and the opposite, transformation that takes D up to C. Now, when you do these, remember you can use rotations, you can use translations, you can use reflections, whatever you think will help you get there. Write down a transformation for each, and those will start our discussions tomorrow. Thanks.